Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys are going to be spending the weekend with me. Today is Wednesday. I am getting my hair done today because it's Easter weekend, and I actually got to go to the bank and then I got to pay my phone bill. So I do that, and then I got to go pick up my hair and then go to my sister's house so that my aunt can do my hair. So got a little busy day. Yeah, it's literally the afternoon. It's 1:31. Okay guys, I just left the bank. They're literally like, the bank looks destroyed, or not destroyed, but like they're like fixing the bank, so I didn't like vlog or anything. But I'm across the street from my phone company. I'm driving over there now so that I can go pay my phone bill and then go finish, like drive another 30 minutes to go get my hair and then go get my nieces. Alright guys, so I picked up my hair that I have here. I don't have to pick up my nieces, thank God, because I was rushing. But yeah, I picked up my hair. I'm about to go to Scooter's Coffee and get me a raspberry lemonade because I really want one. And then head to my sister's house because my aunt is already there waiting on me. And I gotta get my hair braided down and then go, and then she'll start like sewing in my hair and stuff. But yeah, I'm hot. I had to get gas too because I was on 30 miles, y'all. I was zooming in my little blue car. But this guy got gas, and let's go get something to drink because I'm so parched, and go get cute. Can I get a like, that's the lemonade flavors? Do you have like blue raspberry?
Do you want to do blue raspberry?
Yes. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. I literally got home at like 10:30. And I was so tired. I was just driving and I was just like, I need to get home. I'm exhausted. But yeah, my hair is done. And yeah, but my aunt, we were up for so long. We were like watching movies and she was like doing my hair and stuff. We were just talking. But yeah, your girl got home late. I got home, I took a shower because I had hair like all over me. And then I knocked out, like your girl was out. But now I'm up, yeah. But that's what happened. Your girl was so tired. It's a new day and I don't know what I'm doing today. I'm probably gonna relax today because it's Thursday. And but I didn't even get to explain to y'all, like, so like I said, it's Easter weekend, and we have this thing like in my city. I know a lot of people probably have it too, but we have it in my city. It's called the Easter parade. And so like Sunday after church, you know, you bring a pair of changing clothes, and like we walk around down like in our city, and they block off like roads and stuff, and it's a parade, and it's really cool, like motorcycles and like loud music, hush, and all of that stuff. But it's really cool. I just got to do my skincare. It's 7:35. It's early in the morning. My dog woke me up because he needed to go outside, so I was like, let me just get up. But I have to make some coffee and come back in my room and just probably relax for a little bit because it is early in the morning. I was gonna buy an outfit for Sunday, but then I was like, no, because I just bought a whole bunch of new clothes, so there's really no point of me going to buy more clothes for one day, and I just bought new clothes. So I'm gonna wear something cute and simple. Hey! So I'm gonna wear something cute and simple and then call it a day. Alright, here's the fit. I got a tube top on, some jeans, my Vans, and I just had to keep my hair in a ponytail because it's easier. And I don't have to have hair all in my face. My mom is so loud. But yeah. Hey guys, so we are dropping my sister off at the dentist. It's currently 8:57. She's been having some pains in her mouth, so we're just gonna drop her off at the dentist. And then I don't know what me and my mom are gonna do while she's there. Probably go look around because it's only 8. It's almost 9, so a lot of stores don't open till like 10. I think 10 o'clock. They don't open till like 10. So yeah, but I made my coffee because I had to bring my coffee with me. Y'all, I was looking for that cup all morning because that's the one I take. Like, it's easier to take with me rather than my other coffees, and it's easier to pop the top on it because that top don't work for the other ones. So I was like, where's my cup? I looked right past it. It was in the dishwasher, and I had looked in the dishwasher, but whatever. But just chilling. My hair is so cute. I had to get cute today because I was tired of going around looking raggedy, y'all. Like, I was waking up every day laying my hair, well, not laying my hair, but like fixing my pup, and I was like, I need my hair done. I got my hair done, so I feel so pretty. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're in Rush, y'all. I'm just looking around at the stuff just looking to see what they have. I found me some pants, but I don't know if I want to get. Hey y'all, I'm back home. It's been a few hours later. I just got a snow cone from Pelicans, and then we went to see my mom's friend. She rung her bell today so she doesn't have to do any more chemo, so I'm so happy. But we're back home and I got a PR packet, and I already know what it is, but I'm gonna unbox it for y'all. This cute little bag. It's from Vacay Haven, and so I'm so excited to like look at it in person because they let me pick out what I wanted, and it's this bathing suit company, and they let me pick out what I wanted, and I'm so grateful. Okay, so here's my my one bathing suit, and it's this sage green color. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. All right, so here is the bottoms. These are so adorable, and you see like they're just a regular print, and then here is the top. I'm obsessed with the top. Like, look at this. Like, shut up. This is gonna be so cute for summer, but I have to do content for them, and I'm so very, very excited. But yeah, so that's yeah, I'm just gonna relax because we're just getting home. I'm actually tired, and I'm gonna just hang out with my doggy and yeah, just relax for a little bit. So hey guys, good morning. It is 11:09. It's technically not morning anymore. Well, yes, it is morning. I've been cleaning all morning because today is Friday. It's Good Friday, and I've just been cleaning and stuff, getting everything like situated. But I'm about to start editing this video because I have lots of footage to start this video, and then I gotta start editing. I'm gonna start filming the next video after. So that's all I've been doing, mostly cleaning, getting everything ready, just relaxing. I don't have nothing to do today, but in the daytime, but tonight I have to go to my old church because they're having a service for Good Friday, and then start prepping and stuff and getting ready for Easter and all that stuff. I just want to pop in, talk to you guys, let you guys know what's been happening, what's been going on. Hey guys, it's literally been a few hours later. It's currently 7:32. I just made me a sandwich, and I've been binge watching Abbott Elementary because I've missed so many episodes. So I've been binge watching. We were supposed to go to church tonight for like Good Friday for like a candlelight, but we didn't. Me and my dog's just chilling. So I think it's gonna be the end of this week's video. It's been a long few days, y'all. I gotta prep to start filming for tomorrow. Got another vlog to do. So thank you guys for watching, and on my post notifications, go like some videos, check out my community tab because I'm always posting there. I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.